So, hello guys, Alethea here with Still Alone Sewing. Remember last week the video of Butterick 47070, the retro dress 1950s, and I cut out the wrong size for my muslin. So, I'm at the stage now. I'm getting ready to take the muslin apart, repin and retrace. Go back over the steps. The muslin was completed. It's a completed muslin, but it was too big. I'm going to insert the picture there, the video, link the video so you can see if you have not seen last week video. So this is the continuation of Butterick B7070 Butterick 1950s retro dress. The Muslim or toile. So I'm getting ready to take it loose, repin, retrace. Let's begin. This is a lot. This muslin was hand sewn together, so now I gotta take it all apart and repin. This is what's happening with this muslin. As you can see, I'm still working on taking it apart. I have gotten some pieces marked and placed back on the pattern, and I've cut them out, trimmed them down. As you can see, very slow process, tedious. Made corrections along the way. Now I'm just going as I go, cutting off some of these strings that's very annoying and still pulling threads. It's not a hard process, it's just time consuming. Just clipping up some of the strings that's hanging down from the fabric. So I can get it back together easier. So now I'm working on the front pieces. Okay, so I have repinned the bodice, and this is how it's looking, and retraced and hand sewn. So it's looking pretty good. The shoulder seams are clipped with the window pins, and I have pretty much good room in the dress. Here's the waist, and I believe I'm gonna bring the waist hem up about an inch, half an inch across here. So I think all in all it's gonna be a wearable toile when I get it done. So this is the top portion, the bodice, looking pretty good. And I'll continue with the toile. I took out some of the space in the notches, decrease the seam allowance to about 3/8 of an inch. Yeah, 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. Took out some of the space in the notches all over, except for the back seam here. Decrease the seam allowance, sides, the front, and it's looking pretty good. This I traced after I repent. I started from an 18, which was too huge. I went down to a 14, which is kind of snug. So I had to do decreases in the notches and the side and the seam allowances. I'm gonna continue with this toile, and I'll let you see it when it's done. But meanwhile, I'm gonna start on my fine fabric, and I'm gonna cut and trace a 16. Let's see how that works. And so now, continue with the Butterick dress, the vintage dress. I'm moving on to my fine or fashion fabric. As you can see, I pinned it down on. I started pinning it down on the fabric, and I'm gonna move forward with this part of the process, this dress with the fashion fabric. So guys, remember the project, the little craft project that I talked about in the last video, the itty bitty knit kit, which teaches you how to knit and crease the garter stitch. There is my little friend in the back hanging out on my love sign. It was simple and easy to put together. Like I said, everything was included in there. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and comment, and watch the videos that I put in the description box. And also, don't forget to play the sewing game, which is a fun feature that I do every first of the month. And tell me in the comments, what do you do when you want some downtime from sewing? What hobbies do you like to do, or craft, if any, or any other ideas that you have? So, thanks for watching and joining me at Sail Along Sewing. I appreciate you all. Welcome to all new subscribers. Sweet inspirations to all. And I'll see you in the next video.